President Aquino wants the Department of Foreign Affairs to verify a Chinese media report that starting next year, foreign vessels in disputed waters claimed by China will be boarded by its law enforcers and seized. At the same time, the President said he may announce the Philippines' new ambassador to China this coming Monday. The details of this report from Rocky Ignacio.
President Aquino has tasked the Department of Foreign Affairs to verify reports that China would deploy patrols on board vessels to inspect other sea vessels entering the contested areas, the West Philippine Sea. In an interview with media in Cebu City, the President said Foreign Affairs Secretary Albert De Rosario will check if China's alleged new maritime policy has been adopted officially or merely a proposal from the leadership of Hainan Province. The President claimed if true, the matter could be included as part of the diplomatic and that could accelerate in bringing the country's claim to the International Tribunal on the Law of the Sea, or ICLOS.
I tasked the DFA, if I'm not mistaken, about 8:30 this morning. Now, I texted him, said to inquire. I'm sure you're inquiring already as to the details of the same. And he will be preparing the appropriate responses. Meaning, kung mapatunayan na meron talagang ganong kautusan, hindi proposal to, talagang gagawin nila, magla-lodge tayo na perhaps a diplomatic note, a formal protest. And it also tells us where to go to in terms of advancing our interests. That might accelerate our bringing it to before the appropriate international tribunal to finally settle the matter, or at least start the process of settling it legally and concretely.
In a report, Beijing allegedly would deploy patrols to prevent other ships from illegally entering the disputed waters starting next year. But President Aquino stressed during the ASEAN summit in Cambodia, China is committed to respect the freedom of navigation in the region under the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, or UNCLOS. The US State Department allegedly intends to look into the issue also to prevent instability in the region.
Kung meron talagang mapatunayan yun, hindi siyempre kikilos tayo ng kalinsulod doon sa kung may kilo sila ganyan. Wala naman, hindi tayo magdadagdag ng tension.
Meanwhile, President Aquino said a new ambassador to China will most likely be named by Monday. The President will have a final discussion with the candidate who will be deployed to Beijing by February next year. Philippine ambassador to China, Sonia Brady, was brought back to Manila after suffering from a stroke last August. For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.